Hello, I am back once again. I reclaimed my stuff, but I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. It's just that I've been sick for a while, and being sick sucks. So, first off, I gotta destroy some of these. Well, he's fast, but he still got him. So, I'm gonna be trying to defeat a demon level, or easy demon, because I just want to. Because I'm just watching, a bunch of GD YouTubers, or Geometry Dash YouTubers, if you guys don't understand what GD means. But, yeah, I'm kind of a noob. Don't really play. I mean, I do play, but I'm just not as good at it. So, I mean, at least what I think of myself as, because I'm never really good at any game. Because I suck. I'm doing pretty good, I think. Oh, okay. Alright, we're going to the memory areas. Just gotta remember where you're going. That's the problem. You don't. Dang. Let's stop. I need to hold, when it comes to that part, you hold, and you'll be fine. But guess what? I didn't. So, I died. And this part, you cannot. You can for a little, and then you gotta let go, or else you'll die. Sadly. So, while you're watching, if you are watching this video, which probably most of you guys won't, because I'm not even that big of a YouTuber, mobile games and all that. I don't have that type of technology to do. I don't even have money to get, the Hello Neighbor. That thing costs like $20. I can't even get Minecraft. But the only Minecraft I can get is the demo. This is actually this game on Roblox, which is called Pixel some crap. I keep dying there. Oh my god. Actually, this is the first time I died there. No, second. So I can't. That's the reason why there's an orb. Everyone, please keep me in. Please help me remember that. Dude, if I actually beat this, I'm gonna be so proud of myself. I suck. Hey, comments down below if you ever played this game, if you ever, beaten one of these hard levels. I'll be proud. I'll be proud of you. I'm honest. I'm proud of you. If you do, you can comment. I barely even get comments on my videos. You know why? Give you 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay. Because I don't upload as much, and I suck at games. That's second. And my content really sucks too. Unlike Mr. Beast, his content is epic. You should subscribe to him. This is not sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. No. Not doing any of that crap. Okay. Just gotta remember. Hold. Go. Up, down. Up, down, up. Middle. Up. Okay. Yo, I actually might beat this. Yo. I actually beat it. Oh my gosh. I beat a freaking easy demon. Yo. This is an accomplishment. I actually beat a demon. Dude. If any Geometry Dash pros are watching out there, thanks for motivating me to defeat an easy demon. I know it's an easy demon, but I shall. Why are they with ratings? Like GD Colin once said, they do nothing. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked that video. Please comment down below what I should do. And tell me when to upload, because I forget. Okay, bye.